name's Tyler and I'm 12.
Hi, and I'm Francis, and I'm Tyler's assistant. I'm 20.
Today we're going to be doing an experiment of how a caldera forms.
How does a caldera form?
Calderas are created when a volcano erupts and magma is emptied from the magma chamber, where all the magma is stored. And when it's emptied, the volcano can't support itself, so it collapses in on itself and creates a crater.
Huh, so it's sort of like, is a crater at the top of a volcano.
Yeah.
When all the magma pours out, there's nothing left holding it up. We need a couple things first before we create a caldera.
Yep.
What are some of the items that we might require?
Flour, some tape, a straw, and a balloon.
And a bucket. The first step is to take your bucket and then, with your scissors, put a hole in it.
Stop, that's not safe. I had an adult do it earlier for me.
Oh, that's probably better. All right, so we have a pre-cut hole in this bucket. Make sure that you're being safe. If you're using scissors, make sure someone's supervising. So first things first, let's create our magma chamber. We can put the bucket to the side for now. We're gonna take one straw and one balloon.
And some duct tape.
We're gonna insert the straw into the balloon.
And now you have to tape it so no air escapes.
Make sure the seal is incredibly tight. So then you're going to take your bucket. Remember, this is the bucket that has a hole in it. And we're going to insert the straw through the bucket inside out. So you're going to take the straw, you're going to put it through the inside of the bucket, you're going to pull it through, you're going to make sure that the balloon is in the middle of the bucket. It should look like so. You can test this out by blowing into the straw and watching the balloon inflate. Perfect. Next step is to add our mountain. How much flour do we need?
About an inch at first.
So you're going to pour the flour into the bucket. That's perfect, yeah. Here.
And now you're going to add enough flour to fill the bucket 3/4 of the way.
All right. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to blow air into the straw. It's going to inflate the balloon. The flour should rise up, and then once we let the air out, it should all collapse into the center of the bucket. You want to give it a shot?
Yep.
Looks like a crater to me. See how it sort of indents? And that's exactly what you see in a volcano. Let's see if we can get it a little bigger. And that's an explosive volcano.